How do I get my business site higher in Google? Part 2. Hey everybody, I'm Dr. Ty. I'm going over the article 29 Tips on SEO when building a website or when marketing your business site. You can use it either way. This is video 2 or part 2. I tell you all about myself in part 1, so I'm not going to do it again. So I'm just going to dig right into more of this article. Tip 2, get your spelling and grammar correct. Don't have your webpage written by a physical or mental 5-year-old. Yes, people sometimes, and I notice I misspelled sometimes, I didn't put the S on there. People sometimes misspell words when they search, and there were times in the past when I used to advise clients to include misspelled words in their keywords, but not anymore. Think of these two things. 1, the search engines will ding you now for words that are not spelled correctly. Number 2, these days people may misspell a word, but they won't go to sites that show up with wrongly spelled words. Think about the last time you saw someone that had a website with a word that you knew was misspelled. Probably didn't go to it. The Hemingway editor is a great site to check your content for spelling and grammar. Now, you may not be a writer. I am. And see, I even hit the sometime word wrong. So it does happen. And the Hemingway editor actually didn't even catch that because I put this page on there. But you don't have to write the site yourself. You can do bullet points and hire a freelancer to do the rest. And if you need help with that, hey, let me know. Number 11 is the next one I'm going to go to. Each page should have one primary SEO keyword. Each page of your website should be optimized for several keywords, but one keyword should be more prominent than all the rest for search engine optimization purposes. The page will get watered down in the search engines if there are too many main keywords on it, so it's best to make a separate page with one primary keyword per page. For instance, you might have a services page on your website with 4 or 5 services on it, but one of those should be your primary service. If they're all primary services, then make a separate page for each of them. And here's why. I'm going to go down to number 14. Generate a unique sentence to describe each page of your website. This sentence will be your title tag. Your title tag is going to have your keyword on it. If you have too many keywords, it's not going to fit in your title tag. The title tag describes what will be on that specific page of your site. Each page must have a different, unique title tag. Never use the same wording on multiple pages. This tag should be no more than 120 characters, not words. You may have heard that it should only be 60 characters, but times are changing. Sometimes you'll only see 60 characters, and sometimes you'll see 120, but it is changing to 120. You need to describe that page in no more than 120 characters, including spaces. And that way, you've got your main keyword in your title, in your description, and it's set to that particular page. That's how it all fits together. Hey, I'm Dr. Ty with Portbell SEO. Again, go to portbell.com. Click on Success Tips, join our club to be the first to find out about new videos. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, give us a like, whatever it might be for your watching. If you're on a podcast, go to the Success Tips area. That's our blog. And this video will be on the blog. You can see the images that you can't see on the podcast. Thanks a lot, everybody.